So recently I encountered an issue. The issue occurred when I tried to connect makedotcom and my Gmail directly. That's when I wanted to use a Gmail module and I tried to sign in with Google. I received this restricted scopes error. So I tried to look around the documentation, and in fact there is documentation by Make. However, it's very tedious, and so I'm a bit more of a watch a video to learn person. And I went on to YouTube to look for a video tutorial on how to connect it. But I found that some of the videos, though they were good, they were a bit dated in terms of the user interface of Google has now changed. So I wanted to make this video today to guide you guys through how I can connect Gmail to make.com. So let's proceed. First, I have to open a new tab and I have to go to console.cloud.google.com. I click on that. Okay, so now we're in the Google Cloud console section. What I have to do is come to these three dots here, click on this icon and create a new project. I'm going to create a project by the name of, I think just for simplicity's sake, make.com. No organization, and then I click create. So right now it's creating the project, so I just have to wait a bit. Okay, cool, select project. So now I'm in this particular project. I go to API and services, click on this quick access button. Yes, and then I'll click on enable API and services. And here in the search bar, I will search Gmail API. Hit enter. And in the Gmail API button, I click it. I click enable. It's taking a while, but it's enabling the option. Great, so now it's fully loaded and I'll click on OAuth Consent Screen on the left panel here. As you can see where my cursor is. I click on that. And the auth platform has not been configured yet. So this is where I found that the previous YouTube videos, the user interface differed a bit from the new one that was recently updated. So now we're just gonna go to get started. Give your app a name. Here, I'm gonna just follow the project name, make.com. I choose a support email. So this is my test account's email. Click next. Under audience, I click external. And then you click next. Enter your Gmail account. Here, I'm going to use my test account. Click next. And I agree to the data policy. Continue, create. Wait for a while. Okay, so that's that done. Now I go to the second option on the left panel, co-branding. Okay, no need for app logo, no need for app domain, but here you must add domains to the authorized domain section. So I click add domain. First one will be make.com, and the second one will be integromat.com, which is the previous name for make.com. Added those two and I click save. Okay, so changes have been saved. Next, I go back to the left panel. I click on the next option, audiences. Now under audience, I'll click on add users, come down to the test users section. Okay, and now the same. Put down your email address, click save. And now I go to the left panel, click data access, add or remove scopes, come to the filter out Gmail scopes. And now I only see Gmail scopes. So here there are 8 boxes you want to check. The first one mail.google.com. The second one, modify. Third one, compose. Then read-only, metadata, insert. Next page if needed. Then you click on send, labels. So here you hit a grand total of 8 boxes checked. Click update. And here, this is where you see what you have selected. Once you double checked everything, click save. I go back to the left panel. This time I click on clients. I'm in the client page. I go up here and then click on plus create client button. Okay, so here we enter a few details. The first one, you choose web application. Second one, for simplicity, so to keep it simple, I'll choose the same name as my project name, makedotcom. Okay, next you go to the authorized redirect URI section, click add URI, and here I have a snippet. So this is the URI that you need to add. And then I click create. Okay, so now this client has been created. I go and click on it, make.com. And now you see on the right panel, we have quite a bit of information here. First one is client ID. That's what you need. And the second one is client secret. So using this, I will copy this, go back to make.com. This is where we saw that error message earlier. Now come down here and let's click on the sliders, show advanced settings. And then 2 new fields will pop up, client ID and client secret. So here I will paste the client ID where I copied from the Google console just now. And I will come back and copy client secret, go back, paste. And then now I can click on sign in with Google. Just to show you here, I'll do the same. Click on my Gmail account. It will give you a warning, hasn't verified this app, never mind, continue. And sign in, continue. And now here, you will check this box. Okay, make sure you trust, yes, click on continue. It's creating a connection. And there you have it. So now you're authorized to use this Gmail until 6 months from now, and then you can just follow the same process and add it again. So I hope this video has helped you connect Gmail to make.com, and happy creating workflows. See you in the next video.